Pedi pra ele, não mexe na fralda, não mexe na fralda. O que que ele fez? Mexeu. O que que eu tenho aqui? Um cocô no meio da sala. Ó, todo dia quando a gente volta da escola das meninas, ó, aí ele quer comer. Então vamos chamar. Aqui. Ó. Where's the bread? Here.
No, there.
Whoa.
There.
Which one do you want?
The big bread.
Wow. It's the yellow one. This?
Yes. No. Not big toast.
Get one.
That.
This? You are my big boy. Yeah. Are you going to miss me, Rory? Yes? Ah, I love you. Ah! Oh, that's not a good manner. I'm going to eat. Yeah. Yeah. Delicious, yummy. No, that's okay. Look, who's here? Who's here? Someone's sorry. Did someone see Rory? Who's here? Thanks. Turn the page.
Not in the States. I'm getting tired.
Ah, you're getting tired, Rory. Ok. Quando ele começa a mexer assim no cabelinho, é porque tá com sono. Já não tá se aguentando sono. Aí já já ele pede a mamadeira, fala que tá cansado.
Those hands.
Au!
No, the scepters. Those one. I need one last, Charlie. I need one last. Look right here. Check.
Check.
Check is maybe doctor. Or not good.
Am I sick?
No.
No.
Doctor making sick. Doctor making
Olha o umbigo dele. Olha o umbigo dele. Ele tá favorável, tá tranquilo. Oh, meu Deus. Ai, meu Deus, tem cocô aqui. Tem cocô na certa. Tá cheirando. Oi, tá cheirando. Tá cheirando. Pintinho. Show your smile. Olha esses dentes.
No.
Ai, ai, meu Deus do céu. I love you.
I need to.
Yeah, we have a lot. You don't know. What do you think it is? Oh, no, no touching. Look at me and say.
It's come to from my tail.
Yes.
Yeah, I see.
Look, it was here.
Oh. From hot.
Slowly hot. Is that good?
Oh, it's
hot?
slowly hot.
Slowly hot, okay. Ora, let's dormir. Bye, Rory. Are you going to sleep? Yeah. Bye. See you later. See you later. See you later, alligator.